Okay, let's talk about the motivation. Whether you are trying to lead the team of employees, teach a child, or even get through your own workload, staying motivated is a key. Nonetheless, this isn't always as easy waking up and deciding to be motivated. There are a lot to know about motivation, what is offer from you, and what it can offer you. Whether you are trying to motivate yourself or others, thus below are 5 points that are the most important to know. First, goals are crucial. This one might sound like a glitch, but you should make sure that to set smaller goals on the way to the bigger one. A large project can be intermediately break down to small parts, whether this is a job at work, weight loss goal, or anything else. The best way to keep motivating high is to take these jobs one bit at a time, rather than looking a massive job, breaking it down into small goals or milestones, focusing on completing these as much as is stressful than looking at the entire project all at once. That is not the aspect of the motivational goals. Second thing, give a reason why. If someone is working without purpose rather than working towards something, they are bound to lose motivation. After all, why shouldn't they? On the other hand, a purpose will make any task easier to accomplish. Think about being given in a boring task. It would be easier to suffer through this if it is a part of a bigger, more interesting project instead of a just meaningful task. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. Third one, positive reinforcement is better than fear. It can sometimes seem threatening to fail a difficult student or fire a lazy employee can be a best way to get them to work. However, while this may work for bit, these employees and students fall back into the old habits quickly. What is more lasting, though, is positive reinforcement and incentives. Instead of threatening to fire the employer, it may work better if you promise the employer to change to grow. The concept of reward versus punishment has been studied many times, and the general consensus is that someone is a far more likely to be motivated, correct to improve that behavior when they are promised to reward the improvement instead of punishment of for stagnance. Fourth, motivated people are more engaged. The fact just makes sense. If you are motivated about that you are doing, you are going to be more engaged. If you aren't motivated, you won't be nearly as engrossed in your work, won't pay as close an eye to it. There are two ways this is crucial. For repetitive work or task, this means that you will be more attractive to the details, making you more detail oriented and thoughtful of the task at hand. In additionally though, this makes more motivated people safer as well. If you are working in the dangerous condition, those people who are paying more attention to the jobs are bound to be safer the jobs that who aren't. For example, imagine a doctor not being interested in or paying attention for his job result could be easier than turn catastrophic. Okay, I'll get some example. So yourself into some work you believe in with all your heart. Live for it, die for it, and you will find happiness that you had could never be yours. That is a famous quote of Dale Carnegie. Fifth one, create tasks easier that get motivated for. No matter how motivated you are naturally, if you are doing a simple mind-numbing task constantly, you are bound to lose motivation eventually. However, this can be combated with use of more creative tasks. Obviously, you are not always going to have a creative task available. There will be also be the need to fill out the spreadsheet or do mundane, repetitive work. When you can though, it is not much easier to get excited and motivated tasks that you are given. Use a room to think. This is a technique that you are used in any settings, not just a workplace. Take a classroom full of children, for example. If teacher announces that class is going to be to do a worksheet, you won't hear any excitement. On the other hand, If teacher tells class they are do an experiment, you are like to see more children are get excited. While adults may not jump up and down their seats like elementary school student would. Creative tasks still help to keep them engaged in what they are doing, make them feel like their ideas matter just as much as their labor.